Hello, today we are told that if 9 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 raised to power x minus 4 over 3x, find x. 9 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 raised to power x minus 4 over 3x, find x. The first thing we'll be doing is to express 9 and 81 in the power of 3. We're going to be expressing 9 and 81 in the power of 3. 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2, which is the same thing as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is what? 9. 81 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 4, which is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is what? 81. Now, the next thing is to replace this 9 with 3 raised to power 2, and also replace 81 with 3 raised to power 4. 9 will be the same, this equation will be the same thing as 3 raised to power 2 bracket 2x plus 1 equal to, we are going to replace 81 with 3 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 4 over 3x. The next thing we are going to be doing is to expand this what? Brackets. Don't forget, a number outside the bracket is multiplying every number inside the bracket. A number outside the bracket is multiplying every number inside the bracket. This will become 3 raised to power 2 times 2x is what? 4x plus 2 times 1 is what? 2 equal to 3 raised to power 4 times x is 4x. 4 times minus 4 is minus 16 over 3x. Now, from the quotient law of indices, for example, if we have a raised to power x over a raised to power y, this is the same thing as what? A raised to power x minus y. This is the same thing as a raised to power x minus y. So this equation will be the same thing as 3 raised to power 4x minus 16 minus x. So this can be expressed as 3 raised to power 4x plus 2 equal to, this base and this base is the same. We are going to be what? 4x minus 16 minus what? X. Now when you look at this equation carefully, the base are the same, 3 and 3. It means the index will be what? The same. It means the power will be what? The same. So this will become 4x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 16 minus what? X. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is to collect like terms. We are going to collect like terms. The next thing we are going to be doing is to collect like terms. Now 4x plus 2 equal 4x minus 16 minus x. We are going to move all the terms with x to this part of the equation and all the terms without x to the other part of the what? Equation. We are going to be collecting like what? Terms. This will become 4x plus 4 will move to this place to become minus 4x minus x will move here to become plus x equal to, we are left with minus 16 plus 2 will move to this part to become minus what? 2. Now 4x minus 4x is 0. We'll be left with x equal to minus 16 minus what? 2. Minus 16 minus 2 is the same thing as minus what? 18. So x will be equal to minus 18. If you find this video useful, please kindly subscribe so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. Thank you.